Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how to do manicure easily at home. So this manicure session is really simple, easy and effective. It will instantly remove your suntan and will give you really pretty good looking hands. So I personally feel that having manicures at salon are kinda expensive, like they charge you around 7 to 800 rupees, and I feel that it's not worth the price. So I just love to do manicures at home because we know what products we're using, and doing manicure at home is a super simple and an easy task which doesn't require a lot of time. So it's just easy, simple and quick. And we all know that we are going through a very tough time, like this corona is not going anywhere, at least till now. So we should avoid going out as much as we can. So I just love to pamper myself at home every now and then, and that is why I'm sharing with you how I do my manicure at home in a very easy and a simple way. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first thing first, if you have nail paint on, then do remove your nail paint using any nail paint remover. And after removing the nail paint, now you have to soak your hands, and for that you just need a big bowl full of warm water. And now in this warm water I'm adding this Body Shop British Rose shower gel, and if you don't have any shower gel then you can also add any baby shampoo or gentle cleanser. Now I'm using this BIOTIQUE QUINCE Seed Massage Cream, and I'm using this cream for my cuticles. Just apply a generous amount of this cream onto your nails, and this cream works really great as a cuticle cream. And if you have a specific cuticle cream then you can also use that. I just love to use this cream as a cuticle cream. And after applying this cream all over your nails, just soak your hands in warm water for a few minutes, like 4 to 5 minutes. Now to remove the suntan from the hands, I'm using this Tan Removal Orange Face Scrub from Himalaya. So you just need to apply the scrub on your hands and massage it in light circular motions. Do not put a lot of pressure, just concentrate between the fingers and have gentle strokes. So to remove the dead skin from your hands, it's really necessary that you need to scrub it well. Just use any scrub. You can also use homemade scrubs which are really effective too. Scrubbing is very effective for balancing the skin tone, and also using the scrub every week in your routine can even out your skin tone and also reduce suntan and discoloration. Now after scrubbing your hands, just wash your hands and fingers thoroughly with fresh water and then pat dry using a soft towel. Now again I'm using this BIOTIQUE QUINCE Seed Massage Cream, but this time I'm not using it as a cuticle cream, but I'm using it as a massage cream just to give my hands a gentle massage. And if you don't have any massage cream, then you can also use any hand moisturizing gel or lotion and massage your hands till the cream is completely absorbed. And I've also applied generous amount of this cream around my nails, and just massage your nails for 2 or 3 seconds each, because this way your nails have become more softer and the cream penetrates deeper, making your nails and cuticles more softer. So now after massaging your nails and hands for about 4 or 5 minutes, now it's the time to work on your nails. And for that I'm firstly using this cuticle pusher. I'm super gently pushing my nails back and also cleaning them. now after pushing back the cuticles and cleaning the nails, now it's the time to file the nails, and for that I'm just using this normal filer and filing my nails. You can file your nails in your desired shape, and I'm just filing the edges, nothing so fancy because right now my nails are super short, so I'm not doing much with the filing. And after filing your nails, now it's time to lock up all the goodness with the mask. And the mask which I'm using today is this BIOTIQUE Biofruit Tan Removal Mask. Just apply this mask all over your hands and leave it for around 10 minutes or until it dries completely. And once your pack has dried completely, just wash it off with plain lukewarm water. And after doing all these steps, now it's time to do the last step, which is to paint your nails. And I'm using this Faces nail paint, and I'll mention all the product details in the description box, so make sure you check that out. And I'm just applying 2 coats of this nail paint on my nails. Apply the coats one by one, waiting for each of them to dry completely because this prevents smudging your nail paint. And after applying the nail paint, you're ready to go and show off your glowing hands. Your hands will look super pretty and no one can tell you that you haven't done the manicure from the salon. This manicure session is salon-like and makes your hands really soft and glowing. And this manicure session will also help to remove your suntan because I've used the scrub and the pack which are for suntan removal. So this manicure session at home is a complete package. It makes your hands bright, glowing, supple and soft. So yeah, that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll mention all the product details in the description box. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.